चेयरमैन दक्कन ब्लास्टर मन्नान खान की जानिब से रेड रोज़ मार्ट ग्रुप के ताउन से बेरोजगार नौजवानों को रोजगार की फराहमी के मकसद से हैदराबाद शहर के नामपली में वाक़ रेड रोज़ पैलेस में एक खुसूसी जॉब मेला मुनक़्क़द किया गया, जिसकी सदारत हिंदुस्तान के मारूफ बिजनेसमैन ज़ियाउर रहमान ने की। जॉब मेले का इफ्तिताह हिंदुस्तान के मशहूर और मारूफ बिजनेसमैन सैयद ज़ीशानुद्दीन के हाथों अमल में आया। जॉब मेले में 700 बेरोजगार नौजवानों ने शिरकत की। इस मौके पर मुंतखबा उम्मीदवारों को मौके पर ऑफर लेटर्स हवाले किए गए।
Very good afternoon, everyone. So we had conducted a job fair today. It was organized by Mr. Mannan exclusively for Red Rose Mart and the recruitment. Very good afternoon, everyone. So we had conducted a very good job fair today. We had organized by Mr. motivational speakers exclusively for Red Rose Mart and the guidance. There was a lot of people who had showed up. Response was very nice, very good point candidates, and we are giving recruitment to about motivational speakers as well, also conducting one more guidance. There was a lot of people who have not been selected here at King's Palace. We are giving recruitment to about 16th of September. And also conducting one more job fair. Please visit there. There are people who have not been selected here, and I wish all the success to 16th of September. Thank you so much.